In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage projects in Kreo. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type Kreo.net and press enter. When the homepage loads, look for the Login button and click it. On the sign-in screen, enter your account credentials and select Login to continue securely. After you're in, click Dashboard to view the main workspace. This is the hub where all your projects live and where you'll create new ones. To start something new, click New Project. This opens a fresh project space you can use right away. If you already have something in progress, simply select an existing project instead. Need several projects? Just repeat the new project action as many times as you need. Each one will appear on your dashboard so you can keep everything organized. On the dashboard, the project list shows every project available to you at a glance. On the right side, there's a helpful drop-down filter. Use it to quickly narrow what you see. Choose all projects to view everything. My projects to see items you created. Only my projects to focus strictly on your own work, or only invited to show projects where you've been added as a collaborator. Switching filters is instant and makes finding the right project much faster. When you're ready to work, click a project name to open it. Inside, you can manage the project's content and settings just like you would expect. If you need to jump to another project, you have two quick exits. Click back to Dashboard to return to the full list, or click the Kreo logo to get back to the hub in one step. To keep your workspace tidy, manage finished or outdated items from the dashboard. Find the project, click the three dots next to its name, and choose Delete to remove it. This is useful for clearing clutter and staying organized. Before confirming, take a moment to be sure you no longer need the project, since deletion may be permanent depending on your plan and permissions. And that's the full flow. You opened Chrome, went to Kreo.net, logged in, used the dashboard to create or select projects, filtered your project list, switched between projects, and cleaned up older ones using the three-dot menu. Follow these steps anytime you start a new initiative, and you'll keep your Kreo workspace clean, fast, and easy to navigate.